Hey, this is Brett with Brett's Reviews, and today I'm going to show you how to find your driver's side door code entry for your 2020 to 2026 Lincoln Corsair. It's going to be this door code right here. So this is if you didn't get the factory key card and you don't know the code and the previous owner doesn't know the code, this is going to be how you're going to find that. It's going to be free, and once you have that code, you're going to be able to program your own driver's side door code number. And all you're going to need is a flashlight or a smartphone with a flashlight on it. And once again, this is going to be good for 2020 to 2026 Lincoln Corsairs. And if this video helps you in any way, let me know in the comments below that it helped you, and give me a like and subscribe on the YouTube channel. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. So all you're going to have to do, guys, is go into the passenger side here. You're going to want to pick up this floor mat. And then you're going to see a panel right here. You're just going to want to get your fingers behind that panel and pull that up like so. And now you're going to want to have your flashlight on your camera or your phone. You're going to see that there's a sticker right there on that black box. And we're just going to zoom in on that sticker. And you can see once it focuses here, up on the left-hand side, the second row down, it says key code 83006. That is your factory door code for the Lincoln Corsair. Now that should work for any 2020 to 2026 Lincoln Corsair. And to get this panel back in, guys, you're just going to want to push up on it, and then there's a tab, and once it goes in, it goes down nice and flat, and you're all set to go. So that's how you do it, guys. And if you were able to find your code for your 2020 to 2026 Lincoln Corsair, let me know in the comments below. And if it was helpful in any way, give me a like, subscribe, and share on the YouTube channel. I'd really appreciate that. In fact, in a second, you will see a link to subscribe to the YouTube channel in the upper left, a link to more door code videos in the upper right, a link to one of my latest videos in the lower left. And if I was able to save you any time and money, consider a super thanks button. Every little bit helps. Thanks again, and have a great day.